Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 351. What tense describes an action happening right now? A. She walks to the park. B. She walked to the park. C. She is walking to the park. D. She will walk to the park. Correct answer, she is walking to the park, present continuous tense. Question number 352. What tense describes an action that was completed in the past at a specific time? A. They eat dinner. B. They are eating dinner. C. They ate dinner an hour ago. D. They will eat dinner. Correct answer, they ate dinner an hour ago. Simple past tense. Question number 353. What tense describes an action that will happen in the future? A. He reads a book. B. He is reading a book. C. He read a book. D. He will read a book tonight. Correct answer, he will read a book tonight. Simple future tense. Question number 354. What tense describes an action that started in the past and continues up to the present? A. We play football. B. We played football yesterday. C. We have played football many times. D. We are playing football now. Correct answer, we have played football many times. Present perfect tense. Question number 355. What tense describes an action that was ongoing in the past at a specific time? A. While I was cooking, the phone rang. B. I cook dinner every night. C. I cooked dinner yesterday. D. I will cook dinner tomorrow. Correct answer, while I was cooking, the phone rang. Past continuous tense. Question number 356. What tense describes an action that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future? A. They study every day. B. They studied last night. C. They will be studying all evening tomorrow. D. They are studying now. Correct answer, they will be studying all evening tomorrow. Future continuous tense. Question number 357. What tense describes an action that was completed before another action in the past? A. She finishes her homework. B. She is finishing her homework. C. She had finished her homework before she went out. D. She will finish her homework. Correct answer, she had finished her homework before she went out. Past perfect tense. Question number 358. What tense describes an action that will be completed before another action in the future? A. He leaves by 5 p.m. B. He is leaving now. C. He had left already. D. He will have left by the time you arrive. Correct answer, he will have left by the time you arrive. Future perfect tense. Question number 359. What tense describes an action that started in the past and continued up to a specific point in the past? A. It rains. B. It is raining. C. It had been raining all day before the sun came out. D. It will rain tomorrow. Correct answer, it had been raining all day before the sun came out. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 360. What tense describes an action that will start in the future and continue for a period, being completed by a certain future time? A. We wait for the bus. B. We are waiting for the bus. C. By next year, we will have been living here for 10 years. D. We waited for the bus. Correct answer, by next year, we will have been living here for 10 years. Future perfect continuous tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.